Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the linear regression oscillator. All right, so let us start by adding the indicator to our chart. Okay, now basically the linear regression oscillator is a technical indicator that measures how far price deviates from a linear regression line over a specific period. Okay, so in simple terms, it helps traders understand whether price is overextended relative to its average direction. When the oscillator is above zero, all right, when it is above zero, it suggests bullish pressure. Like what we can see here, there was actually bullish pressure. You can see the bullish move here, all right. And then when the indicator is below zero, it signifies bearish pressure. Now, one of the key uses of this indicator is identifying potential turning points. All right, you can see here we have reversion, we have invalidation level, reversion, and all of that. Right, so extreme values may signal, even here on the oscillator window, you will notice that there are signs that appear when we are probably going to have a reversal. You can see this diamond sign, right? So extreme values may signal that price is stretched and could retrace, while movement back towards zero, can indicate a shift in momentum. Traders also use it to confirm trends. A consistent position above or below the zero line often reflects sustained directional movement. Overall, the linear regression oscillator is useful for analyzing momentum and identifying potential reversals or continuations. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.